How to add money to your Wise balance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to top up your Wise balance, whether you are sending money abroad or just getting ready to spend, adding money is quick and simple. And in this video, I'll show you how you can do it in just few simple taps using the Wise app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the balance at the bottom to view your currency account. And after that, you can simply select the currency, and here once you're done with that, you can just tap on the add button and this opens up the funding option for your balance. Now there you just have to enter the amount that you want to add, and you will also see an estimated of how fast it will arrive. And after that you just have to choose your payment method, and you can use a debit card, bank transfer, or even Apple Pay or Google Pay if available. And after that you just have to review the summary and then tap continue to confirm and complete the steps shown, especially if using bank transfer, which may require manual action. And that's it. Once proceed, the money will appear in your Wise balance. Card payments are usually instant. Bank transfers can take longer depending on your bank. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.